In this video, I'm going to show you how to use NordVPN on your Firestick so you can stream securely, unlock geo-restricted apps, and protect your privacy online. You can use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price before following along with this tutorial. Now, let's get started. First, keep in mind that the first-generation Amazon Firestick doesn't support VPN apps, so this guide is for second-generation Firesticks or newer. To install NordVPN on your Firestick, go to the Find section on your Fire TV home screen and choose Search. In the search bar, type NordVPN and select the suggested result under Apps and Games. Then click Download and wait for the installation to complete. Once it's installed, choose Open to launch the app. On the main screen, you'll see options to sign up or log in. If you already have a NordVPN account, tap Log In. A QR code will appear on your screen. Scan it with your smartphone to proceed to the Nord account page. Enter your login details there, and once verified, a number will appear that you need to input on your Firestick. This ensures your account is connected securely to the device. Once logged in, you can use Connect Now to automatically join the fastest server available. The app may show a few default warning messages while connecting. These are normal, so just press OK and confirm any necessary checkboxes. If you want to choose a specific server, go to the All Countries menu and select the location you prefer. NordVPN also has specialty servers, including options for streaming, P2P, and extra privacy, which can be selected depending on your needs. In the Settings menu, you can enable CyberSec to block ads and malware. Select your preferred VPN protocol like NordLynx for optimal speed. Enable Allow Local Network Discovery or set custom DNS. You can also use trusted apps to bypass the VPN for specific applications, also called split tunneling. This is perfect if you want to stream some apps directly while protecting others. Once everything is set, your Firestick is now protected. Your browsing and streaming are private, and you can access content from different regions without restrictions. NordVPN delivers fast and smooth speeds, making it one of the best options for Firestick users who want privacy and reliable performance. Use the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price.